Reliable shrubs for the landscape are a need for every gardener. And one of those reliable shrubs that we have that just pops in the landscape is called Sunshine Ligustrum. Now, you may know the traditional ligustrums that bloom in the springtime, white flowers, very pungent, very fragrant, can be invasive. These actually do not bloom and they are sterile, so they will not take over an area. And these are just very reliable plants with that pretty yellow pop. Now, if planted in the shade, they actually have more of a green color, but in the full sun, that yellow just is really brought out in the plant. Now, these only grow about 3 to 6 feet in height and about 3 to 4 feet in width. These are actually very good when planted closely together to create a hedge, a very short hedge. And pair this with some purple in the landscape, and you've got that pretty purple and yellow colors that complement one another. These can be pruned, and they are evergreen. They are hardy down to minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's good news for gardeners. These are just reliable, a beautiful pop of yellow. They can be shaped into a hedge or into any kind of shape that you want. Doesn't require a whole lot of fertilizer, doesn't create those vibrant blooms that we know of with the typical ligustrum, and it is sterile, so you don't have to worry about it taking over the area. So Sunshine Ligustrum, a wonderful selection for shrubs for the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.